So this is the message that was read by Natim Tetwa's wife, the friend who was reading the message on behalf of Natim Tetwa's wife, reading it for her. So the message was being sent to Natim Tetwa.
Standwa Sam, 17 years ago, we walked together in the sunlight of love. Our hearts entwined, soaked in a magic that words could never fully hold. With you, life became a song, each note more radiant than the last. Each day, a dance of laughter and devotion. You are my king, my protector, my joy. In your eyes, I saw the constellations. In your embrace, I felt eternity.
So that's the message there that was sent, by Natim Tetwa's wife to Natim Tetwa himself. So you can see that Natim Tetwa's wife was such a caring and a loving woman. Not only that, there's something really special, about Natim Tetwa's wife, who went as far as to leave her corporate like position, in business where she was in South Africa, to go and support her husband in France. Very, very few women nowadays do that. But Natim Tetwa's wife went far, and did all of that for him. But the unfortunate part, that's why people end up questioning these things, is to say that as much as she was loving and all of that, Natim Tetwa booked that hotel, that room, in that hotel room, and it was only just himself inside that room. Natim Tetwa's wife was not inside that room, and what happened ended up happening. But Natim Tetwa's wife was nowhere to be seen. But anyway, that happened there. Looking at it overally, the Natim Tetwa's wife is definitely caring, because these are some of the tricky situations that occur in life, in marriage, like when a husband gets a job elsewhere. There are some women who remain behind and just be like, I'm going to stay here and do my job here, I'm not going to follow you. But Natim Tetwa's wife was not in that league. She was completely different. She went and supported her own husband. So this is the last chapter for Natim Tetwa's wife. She now has to return back to South Africa, unfortunately, and she has to find a way to kickstart her career. So because Natim Tetwa is no longer in France there as an ambassador. So these are some of the challenges that women go through in supporting their husbands, because now she no longer has that experience, and she's like starting from scratch, and there are fresh graduates out there. So it's going to be very, very tough. But obviously, the state is going to be there for her. But imagine if it wasn't for someone as popular as Natim Tetwa's wife, where would she be starting at after supporting her own husband like that? So you can see that definitely women go through a lot in life. I'll catch you guys on the next one.